Hi, welcome to week 3, and this week we're going to start Word and also talk about the internet. So if we go down to what the assignments are in the agenda, you'll do your reading, the end of chapter quiz, and then the interactive video tutorials. Now, if you are skipping those interactive video tutorials, you might have noticed that you're a little bit confused. That's your learning session. They show you in those tutorials how to do everything you're going to be doing in this chapter. So even if you're familiar with Word, go through these, and because there's some new things, particularly if this is a newer version of the software. So make sure you go through all these, and then you can do the quiz and everything else, and then the skills-based training. Skills-based training is new, so I'm going to look at that real quick. And it's in the modules, and there's 3 of them. So there's 3 interactive skills-based trainings. Just click on those. And these are things that you have to do based on your learning. So again, if you didn't go through the other stuff, you're not going to know how to do this. This is going to take a long time. If you went through the video tutorials, this should not be too hard to do. So first step, you'll notice my instructions are over at the side. Yours may be at the bottom. It depends on the size of your screen, actually. So I am just going to do this. Notice part of the question is dark and bold, larger than the others. That's what you're doing right now. So I would just go ahead and do all that. And then once that's completed, it takes me to the next part of that. And then I can do the rest of that and complete those steps. And then you'll notice when it's done, it'll say question complete. It'll move me on to the next question. I know I have 7 questions because it says question 2 of 7. If you get stuck, there is learning aids. Learning aids allow you to read in the book what they're talking about, to watch, so it'll show you how to do it, or to practice. So those are also available. If you're trying to do something that just seems really messed up and you can't move on, try resetting the question. So you can just click on reset. That'll reset the question. You're starting over. So there are 3 of these hands-on skills trainings. When you get 80 or above, it'll say that you've passed all of those, and you'll be able to go on with that. So that's on My IT Lab. The other thing on My IT Lab, and I'll come back to what you're going to do with that, is another soft skills video on time management. So after you complete those, the next thing you're going to do is Internet Safety and Internet 101. So there's 2 trainings that you're going to do on those, and there's links to those. This goes out to a free learning site on the Internet. And it is the Goodwill Community Foundation, learnfree.org, and you're going to be doing the Internet 101 and the Internet Safety. So you're going to be going through all of those and working through all of those. Sorry about the noise in the background. So Internet 101 and then Internet Free Safety. When you get through with those, you're going to be doing a quiz on Canvas. So there's a week 3 internet quiz. You need to get an 80% or higher to get credit for that. So you'll complete that. And then the final thing is you watch the soft skills video. There is a discussion board on that. And what I wanted to show you is you're going to post 3 tips from the Chapter 1 Soft Skills video. You can't cheat on this and use other people's tips because you're not going to be able to see anything until you post your original post. So you'll need to click on reply. Once you post your post, you'll be able to see everybody else's. So you need to go through the video, get 3 tips that you're going to be using. And that's what you're going to be using this week. So I will get back with you then next week. One more thing. If you are using labs on campus to complete things with Office 2013, please do not use the labs in the library, as they are controlled by OSU and not Marion Tech, and they are using Office 2010 on those and not Office 2013.